And today we will come with another story for all of you guys. We are going to be talking about everything you want to know about Laycon. Laycon full name is Laycon Abeleshi. He was born in 1994. He's 26 years old. He studied in the University of Lagos. His marital status is single. His height is 5'6". His place of residence, Lagos. Place of birth, Lagos State. State of origin, Ogun State. Religion, Muslim. Tribe, Yoruba. Career, rapper and songwriter. Now let's dive into Laycon's childhood and education. Laycon was born and raised in Lagos State, though his parents are originally from Ogun State. Laycon attended the University of Lagos from 2012 to 2016 and graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in philosophy. There were earlier reports that Bbnaija Laycon graduated with a first class. We later confirmed that Laycon actually graduated with a second class upper degree in philosophy. Now, down to Laycon's work history. Laycon did not misuse his impressive second-class upper paid degree in philosophy. While doing music on the side, Laycon worked for several companies and establishments. As an undergraduate, Laycon interned at Laycon Global Nigeria Limited, an oil and gas marketing company in Lagos, as a personal assistant to the CEO and managing director of the company. Immediately after graduation, Laycon picked up a role at Best Man Games Ikoyi as a sales and business development personnel. Best Man Games is a leading African games company based in Lagos, Nigeria. Leaving Best Man Games after just 2 months of working there, Laycon landed a job at the Lagos State Ministry of Information and Strategy as a personnel assistant to the Assistant Director, Welfare of Administration and Human Resources of the Ministry. Laycon also worked as a freelance writer for several companies and organizations. Now, let's talk about Laycon as a music artist. Music has always been Laycon's passion. Bbnaija Laycon started rapping at an early age and has never stopped. Even while schooling and working, Laycon still did music on the side. Laycon's song Fierce, which featured Chinko, Ekun and Reminisce, was on MTV-based top 10 charts for 6 months. Other songs by Laycon is Echo Freestyle, No, Elevate, Unbalanced, Come With Me, Marley Monday, I Lie, Illuminate, The Question. These are all known facts about Laycon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we'll be doing all the facts on other Bbnaija Housemates Season 5. See you when I see ya.